Okay, today we're going to do a real quick review on the Harbor Freight 36-inch by 4 belt sander that you could buy for about $90 at the time of this video. Okay, I did a lot of shopping around before this. I looked what Amazon had, I looked at a few other ones, and I kept coming back to this despite the bad reviews. Okay, one of the bad reviews was you couldn't easily fold the belt sander up and down. I like it in an upright position as it is now, but it comes folded down. After reviewing it, I realized it's only 2 bolts, which I'm loosening now, that allows you to fold it down or up. Some people like to use it like that. I prefer to fold it up. Okay, when you buy it, you have to put this stop on right here. Has those 2 screws and a bolt right there. And that's nice to have. This lever on the side, it loosens the belt so that you can take it off. That dial there sort of adjusts the tracking so it stays straight. Let me tighten it back up again. Okay, the side view where you can see the 6-inch sander here. There's a better view of the belt tightener. You can see how loose the belt goes, and that's how you would slide it on and off. And that's the tracking knob. We have this nice little table it comes with. You could set the angle on it by unscrewing the nut and tilting it. But I really don't know if I would use that for any kind of angles. I would do that on a saw. And I don't know how accurate that table is. Okay, let's give it a shot. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this survival knife and see if I can put a little edge on it. Okay, one of the bad reviews, or I should say many of the bad reviews, were that it didn't have enough power. I'm pushing into this very hard right now, and it seems to have plenty of power. Let's try out the 6-inch disc. Try to round the corners. Again, the sander has plenty of power. This is not a production sander. This is something for the homeowner to use 5 minutes a week, 10 minutes a week. It would last for years if you use a little finesse with it. It's doing what it's supposed to do here. Okay, let's go back to front view. You could take the table off the side, the work table, and you could actually move it around to the front as well. But I like to use the little stop there instead. Let's put it up there. And you would have to take the stop off if you wanted to use the angle feature. But if you just want to use it square like that, you should use it the way it is. Overall, I think this sander is a really good deal. A lot of the ones in the price range are plastic, and this one is metal. Does a really nice job for a light duty sander. I highly recommend it.